Flat Belly Tonic. Boost your metabolism for effective weight loss. Welcome to Flat Belly Tonic, a revolutionary weight loss drink that aims to enhance your body's metabolism and melt away unwanted fat in adults. The science behind Flat Belly Tonic, its key ingredients, benefits, and how it can be a valuable addition to your weight loss journey. Understanding Flat Belly Tonic. Flat Belly Tonic is a specially formulated drink that contains a powerful blend of natural ingredients known for their weight loss properties. The tonic is designed to kickstart your metabolism, vital in determining how efficiently your body burns calories and fat. By increasing your metabolic rate, the tonic can facilitate weight loss and improve overall energy levels. The tonic's ingredients include metabolism-boosting spices, herbs, and other plant-based components. For example, it may contain extracts of ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and green tea, each offering unique benefits for weight management. The science behind weight loss. Weight loss is a complex process influenced by various factors, and metabolism is crucial in this journey. Metabolism refers to the chemical processes that occur within our bodies to maintain life. It is responsible for converting the food we eat into energy. A faster metabolism means more calories are burned, leading to weight loss. Several factors, such as age, genetics, and body composition, can influence our metabolic rate. While some people are naturally blessed with a high metabolism, others may struggle to lose weight due to a slower metabolic rate. However, lifestyle changes, including dietary adjustments and physical activity, can positively impact metabolism. Benefits of Flat Belly Tonic. Flat Belly Tonic offers numerous benefits beyond weight loss. Regular consumption of the tonic may result in increased energy levels, reduced bloating, improved digestion, and enhanced overall well-being. The tonic's powerful antioxidants can also combat inflammation and support a healthy immune system. It is important to note that Flat Belly Tonic is not a magical solution for weight loss. It should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet and an active lifestyle for best results. How to incorporate Flat Belly Tonic into your routine. To maximize the benefits of Flat Belly Tonic, consider integrating it into your daily routine. The tonic is typically available in powder form, making it easy to mix with water or your favorite beverage. Follow the recommended dosage the manufacturer provides, and be consistent with its use. The role of diet and exercise. While Flat Belly Tonic can support your weight loss efforts, it is crucial to adopt a healthy lifestyle for long-term success. Consume a balanced diet rich in nutrients and engage in regular physical activity to complement the effects of the tonic. Combining a nutritious diet, exercise, and the mixture can lead to a more sustainable and effective weight loss journey. In conclusion, Flat Belly Tonic is an innovative weight loss drink that can support those aiming to shed unwanted pounds and improve their overall well-being. Its powerful blend of natural ingredients offers several benefits, including a metabolism boost and enhanced energy levels. However, for sustainable results, combining the tonic with a healthy diet and regular exercise is essential. Individual results may vary, and it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Embrace a healthy lifestyle, stay consistent, and embark on your weight loss journey with confidence. Check the description to place an order Flat Belly Tonic.